How to use Revolt under 18. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're under 18 and looking for a way to manage your money, Revolt has a solution for you. And today we are going to show you exactly how you can use a Revolt as a teenager or under 18. So let's just get started and look out on how we can do that. So first of all, get ahead and open up your Revolt account, and after that simply launch it and log in into your account. And after you have logged in, Revolt offers an special features for teens under 18 called Revolt Junior. So in order to look up for that feature, when you've successfully logged in, you can find this hub section at the bottom right corner of your screen. So when you head over to there, you can find this option called under 18, less than 18. With a sign there, you can find it beside the Revolt Pro. So you can go ahead and click on it. And if you can't find it, you can just go ahead and search for it. And if you have already found it, you can go ahead and tap on start. And here you need to go on with the process of signing up. So hit on that create an account, and you will need a parent or your guardian who has already an Revolt account. And you need to, verify yourself as well. And that is it. That is how with Revolt Junior, you can start managing your finances, setting goals, and even making purchases while your parent stays in control. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.